Begin in child's pose, relaxing your shoulders and taking a few deep breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Bring your hands forward and come into tabletop. Lift up your head, round the back. Inhaling, arch. Round the back, exhale. Inhaling, head up and round the back. Downward facing dog. Take some deep breaths, and the warmer you are when practicing inversions like the forearm balance, the better. So it's always good to do a class before this, exercise, run, swim, do something else, and then add this so you know the body's ready. Now let's test. Can you hold high push-up? Can you hold it for a minute? Rocking back and forth, making sure that you can do all the preparation postures before you do forearm balance. Once you've got the high push-up, just bring your elbows straight down, tap the mat, and come back up. High push-up, tap your elbows back down, and lift the elbows back up, high push-up. Warming up triceps, making sure upper body is ready. Now walk your feet back, so now you're in the forearm plank. On the elbows, they're right beneath your shoulders. Spread the fingers nice and wide, really grip your mat. Press through the legs, through the heels. Body is really long, really straight, looking forward. And again, you want to be able to hold this for about a minute, knowing that you can easily do all of these steps before trying the forearm balance. And you can rest at any time, child's pose, reach your hands back, take a breath. It's all practice. Now we go into dolphin pose. So the hands are on the mat, elbows, walk your feet forward. This first one, we're just trying to lift the right leg up really, really straight, shifting the weight forward, and I tip my hips forward. And that's really the trick here. Tipping the hips forward allows you to get the left leg up. Trying to get as straight as you can, pushing up, looking forward, really lifting up, not allowing the chest to fall down or forward. And you could bring it back down, child's pose. So that variation, it's all in the shift. It's shifting the chest, and then it's shifting the hips. Practice and practice. Now let's try a different variation. You probably will find this one easier. We'll take the right leg up again. And this one is a little more of a hop. Just see if you can barely hop. Hop and get some air. Hop, bend that left knee. Feels like you're putting on the brakes. Hopping up until you get it. And you'll know when you get it, you feel light, find the sweet spot. Bending that left knee will really help you find the brakes. So if you do fall, and you won't fall, bend that left knee, and that prevents you from falling. And then coming back down. Child's pose. Taking some breaths here. Breathe in and breathe out. Child's pose. And creating muscle memory. So if you really want to learn these poses, hands come to your heart. Just remember to practice. Namaste.